I'm Richard Jeffs, General Manager of HCLSoftware, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to VoltMX Go, our game-changing solution for transforming Domino apps into frontrunners in the digital age. VoltMX Go, powered by our industry-leading low-code platform VoltMX, empowers organizations to extend and modernize their Domino apps in record time and with unmatched efficiency. In fact, with VoltMX Go, you can achieve these remarkable results in half the time, risk, and cost of a total rewrite, setting us apart from other low-code vendors. Let's take a closer look at what VoltMX Go can do for you. First, VoltMX Go enables you to effortlessly transform your Domino apps with modern user interfaces and enhanced user experiences. Second, it allows you to extend your apps as native multi-experience applications, delivering engaging experiences across mobile, tablets, wearables, and more. Additionally, you have the flexibility to enhance your apps with add-ons such as AR, VR, and even AI. The best part? VoltMX Go does all of this at a fraction of the cost and time of a complete application. And here's why. No other vendor has our expertise in both platforms. Plus, we have a unique technology which includes a translation engine that automates up to 60% of the labor needed to extend Domino apps. We also provide the ability to leverage modern scripting languages like JavaScript to continue enhancing your applications. When it comes to deployment, VoltMX Go offers you the freedom to choose the cloud provider that best suits your needs. And we understand the complexity and cost challenges faced by organizations in app modernization projects. That's why VoltMX Go was designed to safeguard your investment in Domino, avoiding disruptions and re-platforming altogether. Now let's unleash the potential of your Domino apps and confidently bring them into the future. VoltMX Go is the ultimate solution for app modernization.